Look at this.
Let's say we left it, we stop record now. Alkaline drop of this song to MASICKA directly. MASICKA has to reply. Him can't run the levels card with him. Him can't run like, oh, yo, may I focus on this and that when every other song you talk about, you're the baddest artist, you know?
Yeah. A few moments later.
Yeah, the baddest artist in Jamaica right now.
But even
So
the
you
thing
can't
where
go
like him and say, yo, go pa MASICKA.
Dancehall.
Dancehall like pop.
Yeah.
Which one?
2,000 years later.
No time. I thought them talking and try to hide my glory.
At them suck me ya. Make me dark up in bumbucklad place, you know. You see them suck me ya?
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People don't know Media Fox now. And look forward, yeah man, you know I think said, yo, people who say MASICKA run out with a song. What do you think about the song, people? Because Jano, I see J them run out, so I see what them say. But people, what do you think about the song with MASICKA? Me say this Alkaline-Mass cartel. I don't know, me I listen to the song and me I wonder what go on. Me not see nothing. You understand? Me not hear nothing like, brother, same flow, same this. Boy, MASICKA, I don't know that, but I don't feel like you're not really war man like that, brother. You just do some lyrics and you know war, like you don't know about war yet. You understand? You just a forward. Same flow, same matic, this, that. You talk about Shango and all of them, you could think they are Mango and all of them think they Frango. You understand? I don't know, bro. I don't know what you try to say in this song, bro, but I not eat this, brother. You understand? Yeah, people are going to talk about it because you don't know Alkaline night. They might try to type with Alkaline cartel. You know, people are going to talk about it. But people are going in that video and listen where them youth you say. You see me? Yeah. But I don't know what things said. And this too. I say people a dancehall, you know, one dancehall, you understand? So you don't know. Big up all fan base. Yeah man, because you don't know how we keep the structure of dancehall, you see me? Because you don't know things that one fan base can run the thing. Yeah man, and dancehall nice, everybody do them thing. You see it? But we're gonna react to something and kind of correct certain narrative. You see it? But people, we're gonna jump in a video and make no hear what go on.
Alright, cool.
Not gonna be like if no man not call a name, bro.
But if the clash go on?
If it want who?
We gotta give the advantage.
Alright, who may get the advantage?
MASICKA.
Now forget Alka, bro.
Alka went here still.
Yo, I'm
People, channel, I tell you. So, yes people. So, go over them brother you say. You understand? Because they talk about the MASICKA and Alkaline war things, in?
We gotta give the advantage.
alright, who may get the advantage?
MASICKA.
Now forget Alka, bro.
Alka went here still.
Yo, Alka mix up. No, Alka mix up.
Alka drama.
Yeah, Alka mix up with it. But Alka not show me.
Brother, why for that? That burn off. May I tell you, that burn off, brother. See, cause look here, we know say that brother there, beside J for you can see same kind of little Gaza man and thing, you see me? But when you get Alka more wetter, bro, burn off that brother. No do that. No do that, brother. No do that. You see me? So basically, you don't know them say Alka will bring the drama. Cause you don't know when Alka read file, you know. See him like when him do his 6 them and do popcorn, you understand? So we understand what they must say, but the wet thing dash that brother, burn off. Why for that? Is what I try to say, yeah man, we have to call popcorn for that. You see me, I don't know him there. But people, we don't know the things. You see, boy, may I tell you, we don't know. It's like the war thing here with MASICKA Alkaline. We don't know. But to me, I just feel like, bro, MASICKA just rate Alkaline, brother. Like, him now, I don't feel him go war Alka. You see it? Yeah man, I don't feel him go war Alkaline. Because the way I move, him drop a song, people. And it's like, people are saying this Alkaline and cartel night. And bro, may I listen to the song? I say him this Alkaline, brother. Like, nothing of that, bro. It's just that social media where people are gonna say them up in and say, yo, him this. But when you listen to the song, not this and that, man just a show a song, bro. Like, come on. Yeah, man. Remember say Alkaline a war. Remember, you know. Remember when Alkaline say, yo, the 6 them dead off, you know. I remember when the man say, suck ray, popcorn, flap can. You understand? Not wise. The man call name. So, me and some people talk about man for calling name and all of them look something there. Bro, come on, Alkaline been calling name, bro. You understand? Been calling name. You understand? But listen what them say, people.
still have it.
Kind of even with the cartel, even with the cartel,
no, say MASICKA have it.
even with the cartel for other thing, what did make that did give cartel a little bit of advantage? The cartel did a sauce, bro. Cartel did a trace, man.
People, you see what I tell you? See what I tell you, say, yo, it's a Gaza, man. See him car, the look Alkaline and MASICKA thing, him switch Ghana Vado and cartel. So, we see where I try though. We see where I try bringing cartel and the thing. It don't even make no sense, bro. Them the clash they've been done and gone, bro. You understand? And today people are say, yo, I'm over the win. But true cartel come out with the song. You see me Baba boy, them feel say, yo, him win and Ray. But who they are the clash, no what go on. You understand? But you don't know the biasness and certain thing. But that's how you think said. But listen what I say.
Yes, father, bro. When I talk about your chap,
So, man, post up your face in my
she a fuck one of my bed in here, one of my friend in here apartment on here bed under your picture now.
You know where to Vada sound? Da.
Yeah, like some earth in there.
Oh, you pick the way you look on the post. Yo.
You see this are the thing, people. You see the Mother and cartel clash. Remember, you know, bro, the man them did a friend, you know. If you don't realize, the war them are going in a dance, and that is why the modern type of war them not really hot, man, it not really connect like that, because you have Bounty and Beanie. Remember the man them share woman, the man them did a bridging, them know them usually talk, all of them look something here. Them know each other like a secret and everything. Same with Mother and cartel, them usually par, them know each other secret, them did both of fall from alliance and everything. So it's like, it a go more connect that way that when they mature shades and everything are secret about each other when nobody not really know. You understand? But if you check it with the modern type of war now, enough of them artists, bro, like, what them really know about each other? You understand? What them really know about each other? And that's why I feel like, say, enough of the artists them afraid for war Alkaline, because the only thing them are going to talk about the B-wash and him now no youth. That's all them are going to talk about, but them don't really have nothing else. So, it's like the counteracting, the war going to stop early. You understand? But Alkaline maybe a study stuff and he will get the intel, you know. Yeah, man, seeing like when the popcorn and the six them, you see it. He will get the intel, but him try if he secure him lives and nobody not to know certain things. You understand? So that's why the war now not really go on, because I like Bounty and Beanie and Mother and cartel, them know things about each other. You understand? Them have some kind of connection. You understand?
We hear me on the Alka. What's the Alka clash already?
True,
What's the
many
MASICKA
years ago.
Don't matter.
No, but as I'm saying, Alkaline not show like him still have it.
Yeah, not sure. Yeah, but boy.
MASICKA consistently shows him have it.
But MASICKA,
Bro, people, all fan base, the man that say Alkaline no show same have it, but MASICKA show same have it. Bro, come on, brother. What kind of war, the little Khalid and that, bro? That is not nothing, brother. Oh, if you see what Alkaline do in a dancehall, bro. Till other Valiant I use it this popcorn, Virgin I use it this popcorn, and some other celebrity in a game I use it. Big this microwave till this day. Look how the man go after the whole 6 them. Bro, you know to stop the bias, brother. You understand? Stop the bias. You see it. You not talk about MASICKA. Bro, what kind of war? What MASICKA do, brother? What MASICKA do, dog? Like, yo, Chalo, we are tell it to right it. Bro, when the thing go on with cartel with there, the man them say MASICKA a coward, bro. Man a coward, brother. The whole world a say it. So if MASICKA did that, thump some boy and some head and all of them because something, we don't see it, bro. You understand? That's the thing.
Clash will say, him not go there. So probably there's something in not fully confident in a same time go there with Alkaline, because it's Alkaline. I agree, say Alkaline not produce the type of songs him when music produce. But we see him clash, so I have to work out because all that shit busy, MASICKA really clash. Colorado, whatever.
The people that replied.
Yeah, they have this story and
Bro, but you can't clash with man them we are sing girl song. Them Marco we are sing about Puppy Tail, Khalid sing about all of them little girl song and them something there, bro. That are not man, that's some little buy you little something more. Bro, that are not nothing, brother. That is not nothing. MASICKA not show him true talent a war yet, bro. Because I'm tell you this, MASICKA can't even counteract nothing. All him talk about matic pan waist, gun this, way. That's all the man talk about, bro. You understand? It's like, we don't realize what I'm but I understand, say, if MASICKA no want war Alkaline, fine. You see it, because at the end of the day, Alkaline is the bigger artist. You understand? Alkaline is the bigger artist. So it's like, him can't play in a leverage card, brother. You understand? When MASICKA go off for Alkaline, I never know, bro, you have to understand, so when Alkaline fought in that game, everybody use cartel for go off for Alkaline. That's one of the things. Remember, MASICKA come out and say, you know, rate Alkaline, I live in a cartel shadow. MASICKA and Alkaline never have nothing, bro. Are 2 young youth, them. Remember, Alkaline opening doors for MASICKA, bro. MASICKA been trying for years. And when Alka bus, MASICKA even bus on the same reading what Alka have, bro. Where the depend. with hardball are the same thing. Him even forward in an interview. You understand? And I big up all Alkaline, bro. You understand? So my time when me hear on the talk, bro, me I say, yo, Jano. But we understand the thing, everybody pick them side and thing, you see me? Yeah, man. But listen what them I say, people.
And that's still one of the best diss song them in the dancehall.
So, my better with Alkaline.
I will go with Massicka, but it's not an easy. With people that would say, "Oh, Massicka got demolish Alkaline," it's not true.
And I think Alkaline would have win off of some mix up, bro. You know, find some mix up with Massicka.
You know what Skeng do? What's Skeng call name, you know?
Yeah.
Alkaline, no, beyond that, bro. Alkaline beyond
And I hear what
Brother, Jano. That brother, yeah, the Gaza youth. Because we know he's a Gaza youth. The Gaza youth, they try everything. Because Jeffrey prep up Alka, you know. Jeffrey know the music and know say, yo, Alka ready for anything now. But you see him now, he might try to do everything. You notice every time Jeffrey prep up the Alkaline thing. Zine, and I thought the truth. Him butt in with. So if I know cartel and move out, he might butt in with Skeng. Then he might go say, yo, Alkaline. You see me? He might go say, yo, Alkaline. No, do a Skeng do and call name. Bro, Alkaline been calling name, brother. Alkaline been calling name. You understand? Alkaline I call Flapcan, Popcan, six them dead off. Come on, bro, stop it, brother. Remember a man say, yo, nah, fuck no Ray Adipama. Come on, my youth. Yo. Boy, but we listen to them as a people, cause we have to review them and correct them, you know. You understand? Yeah, man.
sometimes, even the whole collateral and all this stuff, sometimes you will have a better record, but some things are better diss.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, yo. If you're arguing now which one is the better song, I'm like, Vada probably had some of the better songs in it. But when it comes to being a diss, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you understand? So, let me tell you this, brother. If MASICKA was that war man, brother, me I tell you, MASICKA would have ready a long time, bro. MASICKA, MASICKA just know, say, yo, to me, MASICKA just rate Alkaline. Him just a show shades and say him bad, but MASICKA not bad, bro. MASICKA not bad. You understand? Him not bad, brother. But me could listen to him as a people.
They can't.
So,
if Alkaline, let's say we stop record, no, Alkaline drop on this song, to MASICKA directly, MASICKA has to reply. Him can't run the levels card with him. Him can't run like, oh, yo, man, focus on this and that when every other song you talk about, you're the baddest artist. You know?
Yeah, even
so
yeah, man. Him can't pull on levels card. Him have to go answer. You understand? Him have to go answer. That's the problem, and him go end up down that road there. And that's how the problem start, because him can't play. Alright, back then when MASICKA, remember say MASICKA Alkaline never have nothing back then, no, bro. I choose MASICKA that try gain the Gaza thing, and him say, yo, him live in a cartel shadow and him not rate Alkaline. Bro, because them time them hungry. Alkaline the more bigger artist will bust them time there. You understand? But me as an artist, me and this man have nothing, brother. Everybody I hate me and MASICKA have nothing, so me I go war him with. You understand? But now, MASICKA bust now, Zine, and a years now, we can say, alright, things are going, but MASICKA can't play in a leverage card because him still not reach Alkaline level, bro. Him can't even survive without the Gaza fan them. You understand? Right now, if the Gaza fan them say, yo, MASICKA, I eat this, you know. Him get knocked. Me I tell you that, bro. Me I tell you that because the little Crux fans were there that can't save MASICKA Empire, brother. Can't save, because none of them will say Crux say Gaza, brother. You understand? Since Iman Cartel link, that's how the thing starts structure and everything. You understand?
Dancehall, which one? I'm going to tell you, say, info habit. But you know how him supposed to.
People, MASICKA must post something, see? And say him have dancehall 9 palm. Wait there, a royal palm or what? Because we don't know which dancehall he have with a palm. Brother, but tell you know what? We not even blame MASICKA. You see, Uno prep him up and talk about your consistency, way, and make him feel like him have dancehall 9 palm. Uno. But when you check the facts, bro, come on, nothing to do there. You understand? You can't say you have dancehall, bro, but you use a fan base when you're one. You understand? Everybody does. Yeah, everybody good, bro. So it's like, oh, MASICKA that good youth. Alright, give me road. Is what I try to say. Dancehall na palm. Right now, every little thing we're going with MASICKA, bro. A Alkaline name, bro. When MASICKA drop a song, same with last year. Yo, MASICKA, when him talk about champion, him the champion take away belt. Yo, Alkaline him attack. Alkaline name been pushing a MASICKA thing, brother. Remember right now as him drop the song, you know. Seeing? They must say, yo, Alkaline and Cartel him this. It's been going on like that, bro. It's been going on like that. You understand? So, him not really carry him own a wave, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. Him a go off of the alkaline wave thing and the Gaza thing. You understand? But listen what them a say, people.
Off on the gun, so Masicka about this, not that. Masicka about that. You know, rating Masicka more than anything. Him resilience, bro.
Okay.
And me not gonna lie. Me never expect Masicka for that way him there right now. Now because
People, let me tell you this. Masicka signed to a label, Def Jam, right? And based on the agreement with them have. At 2023, Masicka signed with Def Jam, right? Zine? And from this so the song them, the same song they were Def Jam them a promote. Yeah man, that's why them just say yo consistently. Yeah man, because look here, Def Jam a promote him locally. Cause look here, the aim with Def Jam of him career was structure, Zine, I think structure and support. Zine. So it's like structure him career and support it, but it's not nothing we have to do, it's no financial aims or aspect of the thing. You understand? So if you realize from 2023, the song them we are drop, the Tyrant, all of them look a song there, we are drop, yeah, from this so cause him drop the album, I think about 2021, I think around this so, yeah, seeing? And after that him start get look inside, but look you now, Def Jam give him the contract and him have the contract for 1 year, you understand? And then at 2023 now him sign it, so maybe like around 2020, last of 2021 him get the contract and he make it go for a year, and then 2023 now, yeah, him sign it. You understand? So all of this, right now if Def Jam say yo Masicka, I eat this and I wanna see nothing go on, you know. I eat that film. I tell you, I eat. Why you see every time I release I be a videos and every little thing? Why do you think that? Be a video. Remember in a video cast, you know, Def Jam a put in the little money and every little thing. You see me? But them no really make much. Them know that. Them just a try, you don't know the owner Tunja try help him and as them say, and nothing financially thing is just a support and structure and thing. That's all. Yeah, and that's why you realize Masicka signed to Def Jam and you not see him now do no major collab like that. Like get no big thing like oh you that's like Skilly Bang them with Tyler them and Shensia them and you know I do them collab there every little thing. Masicka not really get that because them a try build him thing at the ground first. Which it kinda work in a sake. You understand? It kinda work in a little way. You see me? So when we see all of that, we say, yo, alright. Well, I say, alright, little thing I go on, but I feel there is more to this, you understand? Thing is that, I feel like Masicka should have reached further, knowing same signed to an international label, because it's been 2 years, but, let me tell you, I feel like say the label, see? I feel like say the label, see? I feel like say, yo, the label, I feel like the label, what do I call it? I feel like the label, them just a try. Them just a try with him. No one say, to me, I don't know, Masicka, I just aim that him have a look one flow, you see me? It a work in a some way, but yeah, in a like a Jamaican like a space and thing, it a work. But it's like, people over say, yo, they need something different. You understand? I feel like say, yo, him should have done on a bigger scale out there, knowing say, him signed to a label, but it's like him just a swing a Jamaican market alone because I know Def Jam aim was to get him globally, but I don't know what going on right now. You understand? And I think they have a next project, a next album for forward and things. So them do one album already and is what I try to say. Yeah, them say the biggest album and thing. Yeah, it's a good album and thing, now go bash it. But him should have reached further in the thing, you see me? Yeah man. Him should have now get the look of energy where Skilly them and you know Shensia get them sign and thing, but I don't know, them a try with him, but I don't know if I the same flow or him just not versatile now where you know get some different. Them try a lot with him people, but it's like I don't know. You know, maybe him need a fan base there. You know what that too? I feel like him need a fan base to push him thing, but it's like him have too much fan base on them, him have Unruly, him have I like Bounty T, him have different beat man, him have different fan base. VYBZ Cartel fan base. You don't know the Gaza thing. Him have a lot of fan base and the female. That's how when him drop him album them people have a talk about it because Popcorn depend it, Chronic Law depend it, Spice depend it. A lot of artists depend it. So it's like that's why it's so different. But when him drop him single them it's like people can say alright, Whites come like this a song. This a song come like this. You understand? So the album them, as I say, if him do a solo album, we would not hear the same flow them in a them. You understand? I guess him can't really I'ma feel like say if him war Alka, and that to done go on to. Yeah man. The same flow thing. You see it. Him a go, the people I say, yo brother, the same thing I say in the last song, but people listen what them I say.
I never had the talent, but I just feel like enough people that try with him, conscience that try with him, rare, and him think MASICKA things are slow build. You see me? And him doing right now and him a do amazing, but you have that element they're missing, bro. That element they're missing. And
you see it? Him a grow and him a build him thing. That's why I'm tell people say yeah things are going, but them still nah, the impact just not dead. You see like how Alkaline do him thing and the impact just dead. Yeah man, for them boss still now, MASICKA thing in a really. Yeah, him a go on with that thing, man drop some hot song and thing, but it just not reach that level where people can say, yo, MASICKA do it, you know. Yeah, him drop song, but the structure, I don't know. You understand? But listen to what I say.
the funny thing was, you know, enough people, enough of the core MASICKA fans, them, they are so because of that element, the clashing element. This young to go against everybody.
That's true.
So,
people don't believe that. The MASICKA fan, them, the clash element, I don't know. You understand? Because if I the clash element, they would not tell him for clash right now. I don't know about core fans. Yeah, he might have fans, yes, but the whole of them really kind of use. Like, you could have said 80% of MASICKA fan them. I put it at 80. Maybe be more by other people and thing, but 80% of MASICKA fan is like a swing from the Gaza side. Swing from the unruly side. Bro, let me tell you this. MASICKA the only artist who have a mixture, different fan base. Yeah, man. That's why you don't feel the impact. Because you don't really kind of get tricked. You understand? You don't really see in 2 albums them a bag of artists on it. You don't see the true MASICKA yet when it comes to album wise. You understand? Yeah. We see what Alkaline do with New Level Unlock and him next one. Him alone, him never do no collab with nobody on it and all of them because something there. And we can talk about it to the New Level Unlock. You understand? And the top price, we can talk about it. People might say, yo, top price is not really rare, but we don't know anything. Body have them likes and everything, but we can talk about New Level Unlock. You understand?
isn't it what's move on from that now still? Chronic law.
You understand? But people, to me, I just say things set here, man. I don't know. I feel like, let me tell you, Alkaline ready for anywhere, bro, but if him say, yo, you just a joke out the thing, bro. The last song when MASICKA drop, brother, I don't know about that, brother. I don't know about that. But Alkaline ready, bro. The man tell me in a key, man, bro. Remember the man drop song, if they ever kill, bro, the man ready for anything. You understand? I just feel like say, yo, MASICKA just, I don't know. He must say him the baddest thing, but it's like, him just a joke out the business, bro. You understand? Him just a joke out the business. And that's the thing, bro. You see it? Yeah, I just one of them things, dog. You see me? But people, don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. I know everything set, you know. Big up everybody. I don't know. Big up the support. Yeah, man. No thing set. Yeah, that is it.